Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel Chala-Tech. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install GNS3, one of the most powerful network simulation tool for engineers and students, networking students. GNS3 allows you to build real world network topologies, test configurations, and practice routing and switching without needing physical devices. It's a real life tool. Is if you're preparing for CCNA, CCNP, you want to improve your practical networking skills. I mean, GNS3 is the most amazing and the best tool for you. And in this video, I will guide you step by step, proceed or process on how to download it, system requirements, installation, initial setups, so you can start building your labs immediately and get your work done. So you can test all your configurations on GNS3. By the end of this video, you will have GNS3 up and running on your system, ready to simulate routers, switches, and even integrate virtual machines. But virtual machines, we're going to talk about it on our next video. So stay with me here and let's do it real quick. So first of all, you go to the website GNS3.com. So you get all right. So here we have GNS3, and while trying to download it, we see that we have different operating system where we can actually where we can install it. You can either install it in your Windows operating system, in your Mac, or in your Linux. So here I'm using Windows operating system, so therefore I'll be downloading it, I'll be installing it, download and install it in my Windows operating system. So without wasting time, we'll click on download. So first of all, for you to use GNS3, you must have an account. It's an open source operating software by I think GNU Technologies. So first of all, you must have an account. But already I have an account with GNS. So first of all, you need to create. So I will have to log in my account. So yeah, work with me on this. So click on login. All right, so it's easy for me because I already have an account with I already have an account with GNS3. So now we can click on download and see. Now we go back. We go back to ourselves and close it up. So our GNS is downloading. So while we wait for it to download. All right, so our GNS is we've downloaded our GNS, so we open it. So yes, we click yes. So here we're going to start with the installation process. Starting with the installation process, so click next. So as I was saying, it's an open source software, so it's owned by GNU General Public. So agree on them. So, but the most important thing here is you might want to choose a folder or a separate folder where you can store your GNS3. But as a beginner, it's always very much advisable to keep everything by default. Keep it. So I'm going to accept it here. So here I'm installing GNS3. You might want to also install the virtual machine, that's the GNS3 VM, or then I'll click here. However, run with me through this video. We're going to be, in our next video, we'll be talking about how to install the VMware, either VM workstation, virtual machine, VM, EXXI. So, but let's go with this ETC. Let's go with this. Click next. So we can decide. Okay, let's say we choose workstation install. So while we wait for our software to install, let's enjoy just a little break. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we're back to our installation. So we can continue from here. As you can see that literally all the files that um, we made mention of, the putty, all of them are automatically installed. So you just need, all you just need to do is just to keep continuing with the process, because I actually jumped off so that we save most of our time. So all you just need to do is just keep continuing the process. So now you just need to click next. And now this is a solar wind engineering test tool. So you can decide not to continue with this software. You might just want to know, it's optional. So you might want to go yes or no. For me, I don't need it right now. So I will just click with no and continue with next. So I'll click finish. Right. So as you can see that, all right. So our GNS3 is fully ready and fully installed. However, we are also waiting for the server summary to come up. So when it's up, then that's when all right, that's it. So you can see right here, this is my server summary, and if it doesn't come up, it means there's something wrong somewhere. So you need to um, hold on for a bit and let it come up, and as soon as it comes up, your GNS3 starts running. So you can see here, you can build up a new project. Okay, let's put it like this. Let's say Chala-Tech, Chala-Tech first project. So we can save right here. So you can see our project starts immediately. So we can navigate through the software or GNS3. We know it's a simulation network tool. So we can come here. So this is our basic tools. This is our basic um, network tools. So we can, I want to try out something. All right, this is our switch. We can also want to bring our PC up here. So as you can see, we have brought in three uh, devices, two the end devices and one intermediary. So we can close here. This is our cable section. I want to connect here down to this. So this is it. That's it. So now if you want to um, open the command prompt or the CLI, this is the section, this is the console connection to CLI. So you can open CLI here. Okay. All right, we need to start up our devices. So you click here, you can start your devices. So you can see they are all turned into, they have now two green dots. So you can come and click your CLI for your configuration. So this is it. This is my PC1 and this is my PC2. So you can um, see through it. Now you can also want to just, you might also want to just all right, so you might also want to navigate through the um, font size, a whole lot of things. So you might, so as well, you can as well change the symbols. So you can come and on each of these devices, in case you want to modify some new stuff, you can click here. come to change symbols, you might actually want to change to any symbol of your choice. And so let's hold on for it to come up. So these are some of the designs. So you might just want to say, let's say put it cycle. Oh, sorry about that. You might search for client. Sorry about that. So these are some of the few symbols you might want to change this, and you apply. It automatically comes in here. So you can also just well change this. All right. So this is it. You can choose any design, any symbol of your choice. So I want to go with this. You apply, you click OK. So there are a whole lot of good things to do here in GNS3. You might also want to change your switch. You might want to choose anything of your choice. This, as long as you can remember them, you go with that. So what is that about modifications and symbols? So this is how to install GNS3, get it functional, and it's going to help you in a whole lot of way. You can as well come to your CLI. You see your devices that are ready for configurations. So you can as well close it. You can close it, close it. Yes. So shutting it down. So you can open it. This is it, and click open. So while you before it comes up, you always wait for your server to boot up, which is very, very important. So thank you guys for watching. Please do well to like, subscribe, and share so you can see your server is up, and now you can come up with your project. Thank you so much for watching. Do well to like and subscribe and share. Thank you.